when two lines are parallel, they have the same slope, and vice versa. If two lines are parallel, then these two triangles should be similar, because the angle here should be equal to the angle here, and this angle should be equal to this angle. So if they're parallel, they should have equal slopes, since for similar triangles the quotient of the length of this side over the side DF should be equal to the quotient of the length of the side BC over AC. And so this is exactly the slope of this line, and the quotient here is the slope of this line, so we should have both slopes are equal. M1 should equal M2. And on the other hand, if the slopes are equal, those two quotients are equal, and you can rearrange those to show that the length of this side divided by the length of the corresponding side in the other triangle should be equal to the length of this side divided by the length of the corresponding side in the second triangle. And also, since these are right angle triangles, these angles here are equal, and if you look back over the definition of similar triangles, you'll see that this means that these two triangles are similar, and that would mean that these two angles are the same and that the lines are parallel. If you want to show that two lines are parallel, then all you need to do is show that they have the same slope. And suppose I take these two lines and I want to figure out if they're parallel. Then I have the slope of this one, let's call this one L1, is -1/2. And to figure out the slope of this one, let's call it L2, I'm going to put it in slope-intercept form. So I'll bring everything but the y's to one side. And that's 2y equals 1 minus x. And I have, dividing across by 2, y equals 1/2 minus 1/2 x. And again, the coefficient of x gives me the slope. And I see m1 equals m2. So L1 and L2 are parallel. What if I know a point on the line and a line parallel to it? Can I find its equation? And the answer, of course, is yes. To find the equation of the line, I need a point on the line and its slope. And if I have the equation of a parallel line, the slope of that line must equal the slope of the line I'm looking for. So we've already put this one in slope-intercept form. It's -1/2 x plus 1/2, so its slope is -1/2. That one is parallel to the line we're looking for, and the line we're looking for runs through 0, 1. So I'm looking for the equation of a line that runs through the point 0, 1 and has slope -1/2. And filling in the details in our equation, I get that this is equal to m times x minus 0, or y minus 1 equals -1/2 x, and y equals -1/2 x plus 1. So it's not the same as this line, but this is a line parallel to this one. Sometimes, if we call that line L1, that line L2, and we want to say L1 is parallel to L2, we use that shorthand notation to denote that they're parallel.